All right, I can't exactly tell you why necessarily, but it was just calling out my name over here at the checkered flag version of the Lightning Dollar Link. Got $100 in the machine. I'm going to change the denomination to, if I can, game menu. Try some 10-cent denomination. So $5. And we need a bonus. I'll take some trophies. We'll take 6 of those. Come on, baby. Volume is awfully low in this machine in particular. Normally, this thing is actually screaming loud. There's a whole bank room right here. Next door, we got the Chica Bonita. And then the Kung Fu Master at the very end that currently my wife is playing right now. Oh, hey, one more. Oh, mini. Oh, that would have been sweet. Mini's $100. Minor is $500. Already down to $43. I am definitely going to be needing a win tonight. Well, that's something. $18. That helps a little bit. Definitely still need a bonus. Come on, baby. Get me in a bonus. Also accept another $16. If you can do this all day, I'm happy. Come on. $10. Keep showing me that mini and you're not giving it to me. Or how about a full 5 lines of that? That would be nice. Back down, $34. There's a $100 trophy right there. Come on. 3 race cars. 2 more. We're definitely not starting strong here. Go. Yep. Last full spin. Let's hit the bolt, find out what happens. Come on, bail us out. You gave me another chance to hit the bolt. That's all you're really doing. Full spin, though. Just will not let us walk away. $4, but still making me hit the bolt. Come on. Whole bunch of bailouts and nothing to show for it. I think we need to try next door. All right, so all I basically did here is I literally went from the checkered flag over here to the Chica Bonita. Same thing. If we go to 10-cent denomination, you're going to see $100 for the mini, $500 for the minor, $100 in the machine. Sorry, lining it up a little bit. $5 pulls. One of these lightning links got to give me something. Oh, we need 3 of those peppers. Come on, 2 more peppers. 1 more. There it is. Apparently, all I had to do was come over and see Bonita and leave the flag alone. Come on, let's get a bonus and a bonus. Don't do this. Don't do this. All right. Come on, let's go. Or a retrigger. Three more spins. Balls. Coins. Come on. 6 coins. Oh, we'll take 3 more Wait. Nothing. Oh, come on. Are you serious? That's it? $52. All right, Joe, we're going to give you a couple backup spins because maybe you want to do it again. How about 6 coins? I'll take 6 coins. Sorry. Oh, no worries at all. No worries. $10 back. All right, I'll bring it back to my original 100 and we'll probably take this 100 go somewhere else with it. Because technically, right next door, we got yet another one. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. One more, $99.90. And a bonus? No bonus. We're going to take it next door. So obviously, we're sitting here in a bank of 4 Lightning Dollar Links. $5 again, 10-cent denomination. If I can, and the buttons aren't working. What is going on? Let's try 10 cents again. It actually, oh, well, maybe because I need my slip. Hold on. So apparently this little number down here actually has to show money. I didn't put money in. All right, now we're trying again. 10-cent denomination, $5. One hell of a glare off the machines behind us. $5.50 back. One more, come on. Well, it just might be one of those nights. We need 3 bowls. Or a whole screen of wilds. I'll take that too. One more. $30 left. All right, $13. Come on, baby. Warm up. $22.50. Take a few more of those. Bring me back. It's coming. I can feel it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Opera House in Mohawk Casino Resort. It is now 8 o'clock.
Hey now. $8. That's it.
That lucky winner is Darrow White. Darrow White now has 3 minutes.
All right, we got 2 spins left. Come on. You think we're going to get the Lightning on 50 cents? I don't think so. You kidding me? I should just keep putting 50 cents in the machine. What the hell? I mean, that's a little bailout right there. That's a $27 bailout. I accept that answer. Just maybe you're warming up. Just maybe you're going to give me a bonus now. You can't bail me out like that and not give me a really, really big bonus. Or maybe you can. I don't want you to. All right, come on. We got 2 spins here. Because I have a feeling if you gave me 50 cents, you better give me this one. Apparently, I owed the machine money. I'm out.